All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. We're doing things a little differently today. We are on our way to go see Pit Master Harry Soo. We're doing a live stream, which I'll link up for an iCard so you can watch the rerun. We're doing a hot seat, a special hot seat with Harry Soo. He's gonna show us how to make some steaks competition style. So he's gonna have 4 different kinds of steaks. They're aged differently, wrapped differently, different prices, all that. So this is gonna be exciting. We're on the freeway. I got my brother-in-law Matt filming for me. This is gonna be an awesome time. I'm glad you're here with me to do this. You're gonna see some behind-the-scenes stuff from the live hot seat. Harry's gonna be filming another video, which I'll link up also of the 4 steaks. So I just get ready for a good time tonight. I know Harry's the master, and he's gonna be running all over the joint. So I hope we got some good footage. I'm glad you're along with me tonight. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. We are out here to the Taj Mahal to barbecue greatness. We're at Harry Soo's house in Los Angeles, California. I'm excited. It's gonna be a good day. We're about to go live on the hot seat, so I hope you tune into that so you can see all the magic we're doing. We're starting the steaks off on the Green Mountain Grill over here, and we're gonna sear them off on this bad boy. Right, this thing is huge. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to bring you along with this. All right, come on back.
We're gonna have him season this because we need to get it onto the pit to get some smoke in it. The goal is to get it to about 110 degrees internal temperature. That takes about 30-40 minutes. So while we're yabbing away with you, answering the question and stump the pit master, we're gonna have the steaks cooked.
Right.
And then once it's done to about 110 degrees, we're gonna have CJ here. We'll teach him Harry's X-split method to sear the steaks perfectly with some rosemary butter. So it's gonna be a fun day today, and we're gonna all enjoy the steaks. Okay, go ahead. Apply some of this rub on. Okay, as you can see, it says no smell-o-vision here, right?
Yeah, no, that's too bad.
Okay, all right, so that's about the right amount.
All right, cool.
Okay, so just a nice even coat. So
and then I get dust some of this off.
So yeah, that's okay. So what you do is you a little higher, maybe about 8 inches. So you know when it's down here, it's hard to shake.
Right,
so
right.
if you shake it up here, it's a little bit more even.
All right.
So we'll do a tag team. He'll shake. I'll do a pat. Flip it over.
So shake up here.
Up there.
Watching that wind.
You guys can see that, right? I hope he's
watching the wind. Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, good. Okay, that's good. Okay, flip it over. Let's do this one a little bit here. We're here.
All right, cool. This is insane.
Doing a good job.
This is insane.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
This one?
This is the $100 one. So.
Oh, we got to do this one right here.
Yeah, absolutely. You're gonna be eating it, so you better do it for yourself. Or do it for Matt.
All right.
Okay, on this one too.
Oh yeah. And these are all what kind of cut?
These are all prime. So I wanted to standardize. These are all kind of prime steaks, so that we do a shootout of the different types of ways to age prime steak. Right. So we have a butter aging, a umai, a cryo-wet vet age, and then a professionally dry age all the way from New York. Okay, perfect. All right. So this is how it looks like. That one. There we go.
Almost like I know what I'm doing. Almost.
All right. So here we go. So here's the 4 steaks here. 4 sets of steaks. I'm going to put it into the pellet cooker now so that when it's cooking, we can sit down and talk. And yeah.
All right. So, Matt, go ahead and take them over there.
We'll let that one cook first. But this one is much thicker, so we'll let it run about 10 minutes. All right. Cool.
So, whoa. Other than that, man, we're having a great time out here, and I've been looking forward to this for so long. So, guys, this is some real stuff happening right now. Make sure you're sharing this on your social media, your Facebook, your Instagram, Snapchat, Flapjacket, do whatever you got to do. Get the word out, get people in the seats and watching this thing for us, all right?
Okay, so the channel became a mistake again, a fortuitous mistake, because one of my students here that I have in my backyard right here, where I teach classes twice a month, is Ricky Tran from Perfection. So he runs a knife sharpening YouTube channel.
Oh, wow.
So I said, hey, Ricky, I taught you how to cook barbecue. Why don't you teach me how to sharpen knives? Okay. So I went to his home, and because he has a YouTube channel, he turned on his camera and said, hey, Harry, do you mind if I record us sharpening knives. So I thought, who would want to watch two guys sharpening knives? Is ultimately the most boring thing I can think of. We sharpened knives for an hour and a half. He posted the video raw.
Right.
And 50,000 views later.
Oh, goodness.
So I thought to myself, hey, if people can watch two guys sharpening knives, I can turn on my cell phone like this here, right here, right? And then record what I'm cooking, and people, who knows, people may watch. Right. And I'm just amazed that I started doing that consistently last year, and now I'm up to almost 45,000 subscribers. Just like that. And all I'm doing is just showing what I do. My production quality sucks big time because I don't even have a camera. I'm shooting my cell phone. Right. I edit using free software, and it's really kind of hokey, but apparently you guys out there, I want to thank you because you found it useful, and from all the comments that you send me, they know that I answer every comment. So I've answered 7,500 comments myself. So I show you my love because I truly want to pass what I know to you. Right. And I answer every single comment, and I don't believe any pitmaster out there with 50,000 subscribers can answer every single comment I do. Right. Sometimes multiple times. So you guys know, if you leave me a comment, I will respond. You know, maybe it might take me a few days, but I will get back to you. The grill grates right now here. So you notice these steaks here? We basically smoked it for about 30-40 minutes or so to get some nice smoke on it. And then we're gonna sear it now to get a nice diamond grill marks, to get some professional SCA style marks on it. I'm gonna show CJ how to do so. All this meat is gonna be eaten by CJ. So if he does not leave my backyard with meat sweats and food coma, I have not done a good job. So there must be at least, I don't know, maybe 5 pounds of steak here, easy. So if you wanna move the camera over here, I will have CJ pick up a piece of meat. So why don't you pick up the $100 one right here? Oh no. Now, okay, let me rehearse with you, right? So if you take a hand here, right? Okay. So we're gonna put the steak on 2 o'clock first, 2 o'clock position. Okay. After 60 seconds or so, we're gonna flip it over at 2 o'clock. Okay. After 60 seconds, we're gonna flip it over to 10 o'clock. Okay. And then at 60 seconds, we're gonna flip to 10 o'clock. Right? Just pretty simple. One more time, okay? 2 o'clock, okay? 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, right? Okay. So this is the beautiful one. Pick this up and place this right here. And in the 2 o'clock position. So this is 2 o'clock right here? Yeah, that's close enough. Pick this one up now and put it here. 2 o'clock, please. These two? These two? But the other one also. Okay. Alright, pick these two up and 2 o'clock here. Here we go. Okay, I see the lights. Okay. Alright, so about 60 seconds, starting the clock. Alright, do some food porn right now and then keep it going here. Alright, so while we're doing it, let me explain. Okay, so the way it works is basically if you put an OK sign, right? Okay, so this part here is OK sign. This is going to be rare. If you move one finger over, this is medium rare, this is medium, and this is well done. Okay, that's how you tell when you poke it with the thumb. So I'm going to touch you with the tongue, and this is rare. The other way to do it also is clench your fist like so. If you push this part here, it's loose, this is rare. You clench it lightly, it's medium rare. A little bit tighter is medium, and fully tight is well done. That's how you do it. Or you can use a thermal pan like so. And I like to cook my steaks to about 128 degrees. So you can use a thermal pan. So it doesn't really matter what you want to use, so long as you're having fun. Right? Cool. All right. So I'm gonna show you what to do. Pick up the tongue. All right. We're gonna pick up the steak, right, and put it back in the 2 o'clock position like so. Okay. Same all of them. So everybody watch food porn right here. Instagram. Okay. Go. Okay. This one there. Got that one. 2 o'clock. Perfect. 2 o'clock. Oops. Okay. All right. We're gonna do 60 seconds or so. Okay. We're gonna brush it with some butter.
Oh, this is awesome, man. I can't believe it.
Okay, go ahead. Drizzle. The butter is very hot, so do not burn yourself. Okay? I do not want to have to take out my first aid kit. Here.
Rub some dirt on it. Get back in the game. No worries. This is awesome.
Okay, so we're feeding it for tenderness. It's about right. Let me do it the scientific way here. Let's see here. Okay, so right now we are at 119, 126, 130. This is done. Okay, so go ahead and flip that in the 10 o'clock position, please. Perfect. Hold it right there. High fire cooking distance. Turn this on, please. Turn this one also. Careful, don't burn yourself. Yep. Live fire cooking.
Piece of cake. This
one also.
Okay.
Okay, careful, don't burn yourself. All right, here we go. All right, and then the last round, go ahead, drizzle some more butter. I wish you could smell all that wonderful meat grilling on the stove with the rosemary butter being brushed on top here. Oh, okay, go ahead and flip it back in the 10 o'clock position now. You should see a beautiful diamond grill marks here.
Look at that.
Okay, all right, pretty good. Okay, go ahead and flip it. High fire grilling.
Love it.
All right, go ahead and give us some butter on it. More butter. Okay.
No problem.
All right, so let's get it off now.
Yeah. You know where I'll go, right?
All right, I'm just touching it with some butter here. More butter is good. When you cook steaks, it's very important not to let the steak dry out. And when the steak comes off the grill, really want to brush it with butter. You guys are hungry, man. That's a lot of food.
I'm hungry. This is insane.
All right, well, so let's sit here and rest.
This is awesome. I can't believe the smells are insane.
All right, we cooked the steaks, and CJ did all of the X-flip cooking. We smoked it to 110 degrees, and we finished it on the grill grates. So we have some nice diamond grill marks on it. So I'm gonna slice the steak now and let CJ and Matt be my taste testers.
All right, guys. So we're shooting 2 videos here. Like I said, it's a slight collaboration and the live stream. So I'm excited. You've obviously seen a bit of this cook already, but now we're gonna taste the fruit of our labor, and I am just super pumped right now. The smells coming out of here. You wish you were here. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, you really have smell-o-vision on
Smell-o-vision,
the cell phone.
exactly. Just go so well
here. All right, so I'm gonna slice it competition style for you. So we slice the spinalis off like so.
Right. Now, have you ever cooked just the spinali cut?
Yeah, you can cook a ribeye cut.
I mean, have you though?
Yes, I have. Yeah, the one from Costco.
Yeah, the one from Costco.
That's pretty good.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Pretty good.
Perfect.
Okay, and then we slice this into slices for you to taste here.
I tell you what, I am going to chew the ever living whatever out of this because I'm going to savor. This is the $150.
Yes.
$150 aged ribeye.
So this one is the butter aged. Okay, butter aged.
Then you bought them butter aged?
No,
Or
I
you did it
aged it
yourself?
myself.
Okay.
Yeah, in over 40 days. Okay, so this one is the Cryo. And this one is the umai bag. The umai bag shrunk a lot, so I lost a lot of yield on the steak because of the umai bag.
I'm going to jump on this one first. This is the Snake River Farms dry aged.
That would be the reference standard. So eat the one from the spinalis. The spinalis is the ribeye cap, and then eat one from the ribeye. So you're gonna eat one piece, and close your eyes and chew.
That is awesome. Oh man.
Matt needs to eat some too.
Oh yeah, Matt.
Come on, man, come on. You can shoot and eat. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
shoot
okay.
and
It's
eat.
YouTube.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Man, it was so tender.
And then it's got a funk to it too.
Yeah,
that kind
definitely
of funk.
beefy.
Yeah, it's got that kind of aged flavor that is sort of an acquired taste.
It's that little bristle at the end. Like,
No fry bit. Try it.
Is it salty? No, I didn't add any salt. I should add some salt.
which one?
We add some salt. Cryo. We'll do the cryo next. Okay.
All right, so Maddie, I'm gonna give you half of this. I'll give you that a little bit.
Cryo. Beautiful.
Look at this. Look at the little fat in there. Look at the beautiful color. Oh. Oh, excellent. It's just a different flavor. How are they this?
They are all from the same ribeye. I bought like an 18-pound, and I cut it in 3 pieces, and then I aged 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 3 different ways for 40 days.
So it's all ribeye?
Prime ribeye.
Prime ribeye?
You cannot age meat that's not prime because you need the fat content.
Okay.
So the enzyme is called calpain. Calpain is in the fatty part. It breaks the tissue down. There's another enzyme called calpastane that prevents the calpain from working. So this is a little bit nerdy, but I'm just telling you how it
Oh
works.
no, nerd out! 'Cause
nerd out,
I'm
dude.
learning because I said I.
So for example, in America, right, we have basically Angus cow and Hereford cows. The
Right.
Angus cow and Hereford cow, the prime grade has a lot of fat. Because the fat is there, you can age the meat very well. If you go to South America, they have what we call a Brahman style cattle. It's a cattle with a hump. You know, a camel's hump.
Right.
So their cattle is different. The Brahman cattle cannot be aged. So you can kill a Brahman cattle,
Right.
sort it. You cannot age it like the American cattle. So that's why in America we're very fortunate because our species of cattle is Hereford and Angus. And you can age those quite successfully, as you can tell from the flavor.
Interesting.
You can only age it if it's like a superbly marbled. You cannot age a lean piece of steak because the fat is necessary for preservation. Okay, try it now. This is the umai bag.
You got it?
Yeah.
Umai bag. Umai bag.
Oh, my bad. I'll give you a little bit, buddy.
So the way we eat is we eat first round,
Mm-hmm.
and then we form some impression, but we don't reach conclusions. Then we go back and eat the second round, and then we eat the third round.
Butter aged. Those totally different flavors. Excellent meat, but totally different flavors. That's awesome. Right.
Just chew and bite and swallow.
Right.
Or chew and then
Dude, this is.
add the flavor.
Is this wrong to do this?
No. You do anything you want.
All right,
You
cool.
got a bit of butter.
Yeah. I love butter
Yeah.
on my steaks. Like I think it's just insane.
Yeah, I'll put it here so you can. And if you need more salt, there's more salt here.
No more salt. The butter, the rosemary butter.
Yep. Yep. And this rosemary is actually from my organic free range rosemary in the parking lot. So I went and salvaged it from parking lot down the street because we have a Korean market.
Oh yeah.
And it's free rosemary, so it's better than paid rosemary.
Oh right on.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you here, man. I'm beyond speechless that you let me come over and do this, be a part of this. I mean, I know we got plenty of time to eat and we're still talking here, but it's like I'm so excited right now. It's just you don't even know. All right, let's try. This is the butter.
Butter aged.
Now I'm gonna add a little butter.
Yeah,
to
add a
the
little butter to so that you can try all with butter. So
Yeah.
try one round without butter, try another round with butter,
Mm-hmm.
and then try a third round with more salt. That way
Okay.
you can kind of like get the flavor down. So you can see how simple. Just a couple of twigs of rosemary dipped in some butter. You grill it,
that's-
and
that's fabulous.
how much it gives that little floral note.
And that's why I said it gives it so much. Like,
You know what's funny is when I do a ribeye in the cast iron, I will always put rosemary and garlic in there
Yeah.
and butter.
Butter, yeah.
But I never think to do it on the grill. Brush it on like that. All right, guys, you've seen what the pain I went through, that poor Harry put me through, but it was totally worth it. I'm excited. Words can't describe it. And to leave me speechless, it's a hard thing. All right, so Harry, thank you again so much. Man.
All right, thanks for
Appreciate
coming,
Appreciate it,
DJ.
man. This was awesome. Harry, say something to the people.
All right, guys. It was great having CJ here, and I put him through the paces. He now has meat sweats and food coma, so he's gonna pack all this food home and take it back with his family and spread some barbecue love in his family. So until the next time, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Tell all your friends that Crazy Harry and Crazy CJ are cooking up a storm doing steaks tonight.
All right, guys. Thanks again for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ and Harry Soo.
Taste test should be done twice so that you can confirm your findings that it's gonna be a good steak. Okay? Approve? Okay, you're smiling, so seal of approval. You're snorting also, little dog. Okay, he must enjoy it. I think it's a pass. That must be a thumbs up, right, Beans? Thumbs up to you? Cool. Okay.